Welcome to the Mississippi Express Pass System user tutorial videos. This video will guide you through the steps to upload a vehicle spreadsheet using the Vehicle Import function in Express Pass at permits.mdot.ms.gov. This and other tutorial videos can be found on the login page via the Express Pass tutorial videos link. The vehicle spreadsheet will need to have the unit number, the year, the vehicle make, the VIN, the license plate and state, and the terminal if one is assigned. Terminals must be added in company data before they can be assigned to a vehicle. There is a separate tutorial video on updating company data for more information on terminals. A blank Excel template can be found in the Company Data section. Click the Company Data link in the Admin Links panel on the company dashboard. Then scroll to the Vehicles section at the bottom of the page. Click the Excel file icon to save a blank file to your workstation. The vehicle inventory must not have any vehicles already listed in order to retrieve a blank Excel file template. Please note that MDOT requires the full VIN and requires that the make of the vehicle be spelled out the same as it is on the vehicle registration. Once the vehicle inventory Excel file has been completed, the upload process can begin. To begin the upload process, click the Vehicle Import link in the Admin Links panel on the left side of the company dashboard. The Import Vehicle Inventory screen will be displayed. Click the Browse button if you are using Internet Explorer or the Choose File button if you are using Chrome. Choose the file from your computer containing the required information and click the Open button. Then click the Upload File button. This will display the Import Vehicle Inventory Step 2 screen and list the information from the uploaded file. Make sure the unit number, unit model year, vehicle make, VIN, vehicle tag number, and vehicle tag state column drop-down list match the column number on the uploaded spreadsheet. For example, the unit model year drop-down should reflect the column the unit numbers are listed in the spreadsheet. Refer to the preview on the Import Vehicle Inventory Step 2 screen to check that the column numbers match the spreadsheet columns. Because the unit model year is listed in column 1, the drop-down should read column 1. Be sure all column number drop-downs match the preview. You will also want to indicate which row your information starts. In this example, row 1 contains the column headers from the uploaded spreadsheet. Therefore, the vehicle information starts on row 2. Select row 2 from the Data Starts on Row drop-down list. Once you verify that all information is correct, click the Import Sheet button to proceed with the vehicle import process. The Vehicle Import Results screen will be displayed listing the number of vehicles successfully imported and the number of failures. You can choose to return to the dashboard if the upload was successful, or view the details of any failures listed. If there are any failures listed, click the View Load Failures button. The uploaded spreadsheet will be displayed listing the specific vehicles that failed. The last column in the spreadsheet will list the reason for the failure. Failures are typically caused by not selecting the appropriate rows and columns for the corresponding information. The upload process will need to be repeated, making sure to select the appropriate information to correct any failures. Once the upload is complete and there are no failures, click the Return to Dashboard link to return to the company dashboard. You can verify the vehicles were uploaded by clicking the Company Data link in the Admin Links panel on the left side of the company dashboard. Scroll down to the Vehicles section under Company Assets. If the vehicles are now listed in the drop-down list, the upload was a success. Clicking the Excel file icon to the right of the New button will open the uploaded spreadsheet. The Vehicles drop-down list will contain all vehicles from the spreadsheet. Select a vehicle from the drop-down list and click the Edit button to display the information for that vehicle and to edit any information listed. When ordering a permit that requires vehicle information, the unit numbers will be located in the Vehicle Inventory drop-down list. Select the vehicle to be permitted from the drop-down list. The other required vehicle information, such as the make, year, VIN, license plate, and state information will automatically populate based on the data previously imported. This concludes the ExpressPass user tutorial video on importing vehicles via Spreadsheet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget more videos are available for your convenience.